Hey everyone, welcome back to Labs. Today I'm going to take you through a complete beginner's guide to GitHub. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a GitHub account, up a repository and push your first project using VS Code. Let's get started. First head over to github.com and sign up for a free account. Fill your details, email, password and username. Okay, here I filled all the details. Now you can click continue and now you need to verify your account. First please solve a puzzle. Okay, email sender. Okay, let's check the email. Okay, here it is, and copy the code and paste it. Here you are. Now you can sign in to your account. Okay, nice. Here I created the new GitHub account. Once you log in, click on your profile icon. Select your repositories. Click this green button new to create a new repository. As the repository name, I'm here going to give simple Python app. And make sure this had a readme file, and if you need this on public visible you can put it on public, and if you need this repository only see you and your accessible person you can set it into private. Okay, now here creating a repository. Nice, your first repository has been created. Now you need to go to the desktop.github.com. Here you need to go to this and download the GitHub desktop application to work easy with GitHub. Okay, now you can download like this. Yeah, I already downloaded the GitHub application like this. Because of that I cancelled this. I don't want to download it again. After you log in with your account, it will be like this. Now you need to open this to the GitHub desktop application like this. Code, click the code button and open with GitHub desktop. Okay, let me try it again. Yeah, open with GitHub desktop. Yeah, it will be shown like this, simple Python app, Labs. Now click on clone. Okay, it started cloning. After the GitHub application, GitHub repository has been cloned, you can open it with Visual Studio Code. You need, if you don't see this, you need to install VS Code into your PC. It's pretty easy. Go to Visual Studio Code and download it and install it. Okay, and to this, open in Visual Studio Code. Let me create a file inside it and write some code, and then I will push it into the repository. Okay, this is the repo, you can see. Now you first need to create a file. I'll create it main.py and I will create some codes in there. Test main, okay, like this, and just like this. And after this you need to save this. So I'll already put the auto save inside this. This is auto saving the file. After you can see the changes like this. You can create a commit message on there. I'm creating a sample commit and commit to main, and you need to push the origin Okay. After push, you can replace this repository, and here's the code I pushed. Here's the code. Like this, you can use this GitHub application for uh, big projects with contributors, and you can share the code and work easier. This is the easiest way that you can code with the team. And also with the GitHub, you can find some open source projects that they will be helpful for you. Okay, you just created the first GitHub repository, made changes, and post them online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more coding content. See you in the next video. Thank you.